Exercise 11.2. Problem number 1. Show that the three lines with directional cosines 12 by 13 minus 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13, 4 by 13, 12 by 13, 3 by 13, 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13, 12 by 13 are mutually perpendicular. The condition for the lines to be mutually perpendicular if their directional cosines are given as L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2 is L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to 0. Now we have to prove that mutually perpendicular means the first two lines, suppose the three lines are, the first line you consider the directional cosines as L1 M1 N1 as 12 by 13, L1 M1 is minus 3 by 13 and N1 is minus 4 by 13, and the second line directional cosines, this one as L2 M2 N2 and this one L3 M3 N3. Now we have to prove that L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to 0 and L2 L3 plus M2 M3 plus N2 N3 is equal to 0, and also L1 L3 plus M1 M3 plus N1 N3 is equal to 0 to show that the three lines are mutually perpendicular. So you can do the calculation and we can prove that they are mutually perpendicular. So here we proved L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 as 0. Similarly, L2 L3 plus M2 M3 plus N2 N3 as 0 and L1 L3 plus M1 M3 plus N1 N3 is equal to 0. So all the three lines are mutually perpendicular. Second problem, show that the line through the points 1 comma minus 1 comma 2, 3 comma 4 comma minus 2. So one line is passing through these 2 points and the line passing through these 2 points is perpendicular to the line through the points 0 comma 3 comma 2, 0 comma 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 5 comma 6. So we have to show that line segment passing through these 2 points is perpendicular to the line segment passing through those 2 points. Okay. So now the condition for the two lines to be perpendicular, if the direction cosines are given L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to 0, which we have done in the previous problem. If direction ratios are there also, we can prove that they are perpendicular. If the direction ratios are A1 A2 A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2, then the condition for the two lines to be perpendicular is nothing but A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. So if the direction ratios of two lines are given. Now here instead of direction ratios, a line segment passing through 2 points given. So when 2 points are there, we know how to find the direction ratios, which is nothing but x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So the first line direction ratios, that is a1, b1, c1 are nothing but x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus of minus 1, 5, minus 2, minus 4. Now second line direction ratios, those are the 2 points. So again using the formula x2 minus x1, 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 3, 2, 6 minus 2, 4. Now we have a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. So now a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 is 6 plus 10, 4 4s are minus 16, which is equal to 0. Therefore, the two lines passing through the given points are perpendicular. Third question, show that the line through the points 4, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4 is parallel to the line through the points minus 1, 2, 1 and 1, 2, 5. Now the condition for the two lines to be parallel when their DRs, direction ratios are given. Suppose the direction ratios of the first line is A1, B1, C1, second line A2, B2, C2, then condition for these two lines to be parallel is nothing but A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, that is the direction ratios must be in proportion. So, when 2 points are given, we know very well how to find the DRs. So, the first line DRs are nothing but that is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 form. So, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 3 minus 7 minus 4 and second line 2, 0, 5 minus 1, 4. So, now A1 by A2 we are getting 2 by minus 2 which is minus 1, but B1 by B2 we should not get 0. So, yeah, there is a mistake in the question. This point is minus 2. So, now when this is minus 2, my B2 value will be 2 minus of minus 2 plus 4. Now, you can see A1 by A2 is minus 1, B1 by B2 is again minus 1, C1 by C2 is minus 1. So, the DRs are in proportion, which implies that two lines are parallel. Fourth problem, find the equation of the line which passes through the point 1, 2, 3 and is parallel to the vector 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Now, we have to find the equation of straight line in 3-dimensional geometry. The condition given is the particular line is passing through a point and parallel to the vector. So, let us recollect the formula of equation of straight line passing through the point whose position vector, is A vector and parallel to the vector B. So, the straight line is passing through the point A whose position vector is small a vector, or we can say OA vector. This can be represented as either OA or small a vector, and this is parallel to the vector. So, the vector is B vector, this one. Then the formula R vector is equals to, that is vector equation of the vector equation is R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda into B vector. Lambda is a parameter. So, now this is the vector equation. Now, Cartesian equation is nothing but, again I will repeat the statement, equation of straight line passing through the point x1, y1, z1 and parallel to the vector whose direction ratios are b1, b2, b3. The equation is nothing but Cartesian equation, x minus x1 by b1 is equal to y minus y1 by b2 is equal to z minus z1 by b3, right. So, you can check the derivation videos are there, you can check how we got this derivation. Yeah. Now, so according to this given problem, it is passing through the point. So, this is in vector equation form. If I want to write in A vector, this one, it is nothing but the point is, we can write it as I plus 2j I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. This is my OA or A vector, and B vector is given. So, the vector equation of the line is nothing but R vector is equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda of B vector is 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. This is the vector equation. Now, Cartesian form x minus x1, these are x1, y1, z1, b1, b2, b3 are 3, 2 minus 2. So, x minus x1, x minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to y minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 3 divided by minus 3. So, the vector equation of the straight line passing through the given point with the position vector 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap is this one, and Cartesian equation of a straight line passing through the point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 2k is x minus 1 by 3 is equal to y minus 2 by 2 is equal to z minus 3 by minus 2.